Hey everybody, this is the evening of March the 24th, 2023, and we are about to go into the Ridge Training Center in CADIZ, Kentucky, and we have tickets to the Mother-Son Nerf battle, and here it says my ticket. Oh yeah, look, bullets will be supplied. There we go. Snacks and drinks will be for sale. Some weapons will be supplied, but you are encouraged to bring your own. Bullets will be supplied. So AJ and I are being very selfish on our, let me see the packages of containers for, hand me the bullets, AJ.
They're in the bag.
Well, just hand them to me. So
there's two of these.
So I had to go out and buy Nerf guns because I didn't have any. So I had to go out and buy Nerf guns. And so each gun came with 8 bullets, which means that we only have 16 bullets. And we were afraid that we were going to lose these and not be able to get them back. So I'm glad that the ticket said that bullets will be supplied. So here we are. We're right outside this building right here, and we're gonna go in. And AJ, show me your Nerf gun. So I got hold up mine too.
Dang it. This one that I'm holding is mine. This one is mine. And this one is Mom's. And you're probably thinking they look the same. And they are the same. No, they're not. This one has this, and then this one has this. And because of the extra air being able to come through, this one shoots easier.
Okay.
I've already tested that,
Here,
not with bullets, but with air.
Anyway, this is out of my comfort zone. It's a little bit uncomfortable for me because I've always told AJ not to point a gun at somebody.
Relax. That's the whole purpose of it, is
well,
to have fun.
I've always told AJ.
Or as the song from SA would go, open your heart.
So I've always told AJ, I've always told him that we don't point guns at people. I've always told him that. And then here I am taking him to this event where, and it's mother-son. Yeah, see, look, exclusively mother-son. So I guess I better go shoot my son with a Nerf gun, which I've always told him not to point guns at people. So, you know how, like, sometimes they'll have, like, a father-daughter dance. They'll have a father-daughter dance. Well, I guess this is one thing that they do with sons and mothers, mother-son Nerf battle. So I guess, AJ, let's go battle it out.
Battle Royale.
Hi, Bubby.
Hey.
All right,
edit that out of that video right now.
I love my son. Let's go fight it out. Welcome to the mother-son Nerf battle. All these bullets everywhere, dodging bullets. All these mothers and sons. Oh, do we? All these mothers and sons battling it out. Mother-son Nerf battle. I'm glad it was a Nerf gun and not a real gun. So I walked into this Nerf battle and I did not see that they had safety glasses available, and now I am really regretting it. So AJ shot me in the eye with a Nerf gun, and I'm not even sure I'm going to be okay. So we are at a mother-son Nerf battle, and Nerf guns and Nerf bullets everywhere. And AJ shot me in the eye, and I didn't have on the protection I needed. Safety first. This is a pair of safety goggles that I should have had on, that I did not have on. We are at a mother-son Nerf battle, and I did not realize that they provided safety goggles, and I did not realize that. So AJ and I have been doing a Nerf battle, mother-son Nerf battle, and I don't know if you can see my eye, but AJ accidentally shot my eye.
I was trying to get the phone because for good YouTube content, We were trying to shoot the camera, and I accidentally misaimed and got her eye.
So this is what I should have had on, but I didn't have on my safety goggles, and AJ accidentally got my eye. So remember, safety first.
All right, see ya.